I am Pramod Gokhale. I am working in the capacity of Group CIO for Mankind as a group. We have almost 22 to 23 associated companies which are being managed and promoted by us. So before we enter into the analytics, we were having all the other applications, like as a base we were having ERP as a core, and on top of that there were other function specific applications. But normally what happens when you have a different data islands and different applications for the different functions, if at all you want to consolidate something and want to bring the value out of the data after integrating and consolidating the data from different applications, that is not possible. So if at all I want to generate some report coming from two different applications, which is not possible. So in that case, the challenge was, which any company faces, like you have to pull out the report from one application, pull out the report from other application, try to join them together. It's very, very time consuming. Second very important point is, no one can think about the accuracy of the data. Everybody will question that if the consolidation is done manually, what kind of accuracy I am going to talk about, and this is the right data or not. So basically these kind of challenges were there. So when we started looking for the tool in the market, of course we came across some global names. One of the global names was Tableau, and Tableau was also considered with other 4-5 different tools which are available in market. We found that Tableau was very user friendly, especially the differentiator which I personally checked with other tools, that you don't need to really do any kind of a coding on Tableau. So basically you can create the data structure, the cubes and everything. It gives you the flexibility and the feasibility to drag and drop the objects, and your dashboard is ready. I don't need to really detail down all that, but still the major benefit of Tableau is it is capable to bring the data from all the applications which we are currently using, and building the data model on top of that and then converting it to visualization is very, very easy. Second is, the Tableau has two options. One, you can put Tableau on-prem, as well as the Tableau is available on cloud as well. So it is a fantastic team who worked with us, and whatever Tableau analytics which we wanted to develop, those were developed in a record time. So I am really feeling good that we went ahead with Uneecops, and I am currently also banking on the expertise of Uneecops. And today, as of now, when we are talking, we have developed around 120 to 135 dashboards with help of Uneecops. It is not a very small task. So that's where we are, and I'm pretty confident whatever complex dashboards also we are able to develop, that is only because of the expertise which Uneecops can put on the table.